name's Damien Mackey. I'm employed as a kai whakairo, as a carver and as the kai whakahaere of the Whakaraupō Carving Centre Trust. I've been here for a little over 3 years. The Carving Centre's been in existence for 11 years. The Trust employs myself and Matua Eugene, who is here as a kaiako, and he plays a big role within the organisation as well. So between the two of us, you know, we get through the mahi.
I don't have a degree or such, but through life experience and through the teachings of Matua and this place here, all the atua and the taio, we can capture 2 to 3 out of 10. I think we're doing something right. Yeah, they come out of knowing who they are. Yeah, I'm Māori. I've heard comments where said, I'm Māori now. I thought I was. They didn't know until we go through it with them, their whakapapa, their pepeha. By the end of the week, they know who they are and where they're from. That's pretty cool. That's pretty big for a person who doesn't know, you know, disconnected from everything. So they come out, you know, believing in themselves.
The kaupapa of the Trust, number one, is to uphold the mana of kaupapa Māori toi. You know, toi's made up of mauri, mana, wairua. It's made up of self-reflecting, it's made up of pūrako, it's made up of intellectual property. It comes from Māori tūpuna. When I started here, we had a huge amount of inquiries for program. I want to learn to carve, and there was nothing here. We decided that let's go away and do some development work. My eldest son, Noah Mackey, once he finished university, and he wrote and developed Whatu Kura Toi. So we delivered it online through our website, and we delivered it on Discord platform. It allowed us to essentially to communicate with our students online. So Te Whare o Rei, it was established early in 2023. It was developed by Matua Eugene and myself. It was always a desire for the board to be able to have a retail space in Ōhinehou. We formed a collective of artists, Māori and non-Māori, from Ōhinehou and from Ōtautahi. And so the collective are able to have a space where they can exhibit and sell their artworks. The works that have come out from the collective, who have been studying with us as well, has been really, really encouraging, where, you know, you've seen beautiful creative pieces. Te pūtahitanga, they have engaged with us right from the start. They've spoken to us about what our kaupapa is. It's great to know that funders are out there trying to support the people that have got funding to make sure that they've got the right outcomes from the pūtea that they've been given. The level of work that they do across the communities is pretty special. The money allowed us to engage with Noah to fully go ahead and develop it, you know, and he's done an incredible job.